Good luck.
Yeah.
So, good afternoon, all of you. I am Archana Verma, the editor of GQ Channels from Cyber Media, and I am pleased to welcome all of you to this great session today. This is a very unique session because we usually hold our session with some speakers from the brand companies, multinational companies, who come and speak on stage, and the IT partners, they sit in the audience. Only some of them come to the speak. But this is a webinar for the partners, by the partners, and from the partners. And today we are going to talk about a very, very interesting topic, which is very relevant, and it is going to be remaining relevant for the next 1 year. I'm sure it will be relevant for at least 1 year, if not more. It may be relevant for more than 1 year also. This started during the lockdown, when suddenly this all the hardware that is coming from China, it stopped coming because of the breakup in the supply chain, and because of this the entire IT industry got disrupted. So that was the time when I began to engage with the partners, and I began to discuss with them the prospects of having our own alternatives to the multinational offerings that we have in all the sectors segments. So we did take out some issues on Make in India, and we are still continuing with that. Now, uh, in the process of this discussion, then came out this problem of the partners who are competing against the online platforms, like big platforms like Amazon and Flipkart, etc. And they said how their business is becoming ruined, and their big business is being encroached upon by these big, large multinational e-commerce companies. Flipkart used to be Indian, but now it has been sold to Walmart, so it is almost like a multinational. So in that process, then somewhere I offhandedly, informally suggested, why don't the IT partners also come online? And after that, they of course had more serious discussions amongst them. And from then, this idea came that there should be online stores, online profiles for the IT partners. And I'm sure they must be considering this idea even before we were having this discussion during the lockdown. So I'm sure they were having this discussion even earlier. So it's not as if I am taking all the credit. I am just a medium to whom all this conversation came about. So now we have several partners who have taken the initiative to formulate platforms, to develop online platforms on which they are offering online stores and profiles for the partners to come and register, and they can display their all their product solutions and services. And these platforms are slightly different in nature, and they offer slightly different types of offerings to the business. So now we have today with us two major partner leaders from the IT industry who are offering these types of platforms to their colleagues. So I decided to have a free and flowing discussion from them. And this is an opportunity for all of you to join us in this discussion. First, these two will present the main features of their platform, and then you can ask them questions, whatever doubts you have, and they will clarify your doubts. So we have two guests with us who are going to present about their e-store platforms. These are called e-stores. So because the partners are going to have their own e-store profiles in the platform. So we have Rajiv Khanna, who is located in Jalandhar, and he is the owner of IT Pro, which is an IT company, and he has built up an e-store platform for the partner community in Jalandhar. And we have Alok Gupta, who is the MD of Unistal, which is an Indian company which offers cyber security offerings and all types of data security offerings. And basically, it's a security company. So I now invite Rajiv Khanna ji to present his e-store, and then we will have a discussion on his e-store. Rajiv Khanna ji.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, my voice is clear?
Yes.
Yeah.
Hello. Okay. I am comfortable in Hindi. मैं हिंदी में ही बात करूँगा ज़्यादा.
हाँ, आप हिंदी में बात कीजिए. सब लोग हिंदी समझ रहे हैं यहाँ पर.
Okay. तो एक्चुअली मेरा जो तो हमने ये ई स्टोर, मेरा पहली बात ये स्टोर किसी भी बड़े ई स्टोर जैसे आलोक जी का ई स्टोर है या फेटा का ई स्टोर बन रहा है उस लेवल पे नहीं है. हम लोग उस लेवल पे हमने प्लान भी नहीं किया है. हम लोग फेटा के या आलोक जी के या और भी हमारे अगर कोई अच्छे बड़े स्टोर बनते हैं तो हम लोग उसके भी पार्टनर बनेंगे और उस स्टोर के साथ काम करेंगे, क्योंकि हम लोग IT वाले, आपने जैसे कहा कि हम लोग चाहते हैं कि जो मल्टीनेशनल कंपनीज है उनको बीट कर सके या उनके साथ कम्पीट कर सके. तो दैट्स वाई हमने ये अपना छोटा कॉन्सेप्ट तैयार किया था. हमारा मेन मकसद था कि पहली चीज लॉकडाउन था, लोग बाहर भी निकल रहे थे, तो हमने एक स्टोर तैयार करना था कि लोग घर बैठे नहीं कर सके. तो कर क्या रहे थे, स्नैपडील पे या बड़ी फ्लिपकार्ट और बड़ी कंपनीज में जा रहे थे. तो उसके लिए हमने एक स्टोर तैयार किया था और हमारा कॉन्सेप्ट ये था कि हमारे JCDA के जालंधर कंप्यूटर डीलर्स एसोसिएशन के सारे मेंबर्स उसमें इन्वॉल्व होंगे. सबके प्रोडक्ट्स उस पर अपलोड किए जाएंगे. इवन मेंबर कुछ प्रोडक्ट अपलोड करेंगे और हम उसकी हेल्प करके प्रोडक्ट अपलोड करेंगे. और उसके बाद जब सॉरी फिर कह रहा हूँ कि ये हम लोगों ने दिमाग में रखा था लॉकडाउन के टाइम के लिए. चलो उसके बाद भी ये चीज कॉन्सेप्ट काम आएगा हमारे. फिर जहां से भी कई बंदा क्लिक करता है ऑनलाइन पे तो उसको हम लोकल लेवल पे बड़े इजीली बहुत कम खर्चे पे एक ऐसी एडवर्टाइजमेंट कर सकते हैं कि उसको अपने सोशल मीडिया के थ्रू या हर प्लेटफॉर्म पे हमारा जो पोर्टल है वो मिल जाएगा, क्योंकि ज्यादा मुश्किल नहीं है एक शहर या एक एरिया में आपको एडवर्टाइज करने के लिए. देन उस पे जो भी ऑर्डर आता है, फिलहाल हमने उसको मैनुअल रखा था, बट आने वाले टाइम में उसको ऑटोमेटिकली कर सकते हैं. हम ज्योग्राफिकली जो डीलर हमारा डीलर उस एरिया में है और जो उस प्रोडक्ट को डील करता है वो उसको डिलीवर कर देगा, उस प्रोडक्ट को वो डिलीवर करेगा. हमारा ये कॉन्सेप्ट था. अब इस पे अगर कोई क्वेश्चन है.
Okay, among the audience, does somebody want to ask any questions from Rajiv ji? Please type in the chat box. I will get your question and I will present it to Rajiv ji. Any questions from anybody? अभी तक तो किसी ने नहीं दिया है. अगर कोई देगा तो मैं आपको बता दूं. If anybody has any questions, please type in the chat box. I will get your question.
तब तक मैं एक क्वेश्चन पूछूं अर्चना जी राजीव जी से?
हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल पूछिए.
राजीव जी, बहुत ही यूनिक कॉन्सेप्ट है आपका, जिसमें आपने ये डिसाइड किया कि एक पोर्टल पे जो भी इंक्वायरी आएगी उसका जो नियरेस्ट पार्टनर है आप उसको लीड ट्रांसफर करेंगे. Am I right? ठीक यही था ना?
यस सर, एग्जैक्टली.
तो ये बहुत ही यूनिक कॉन्सेप्ट है. ये कॉन्सेप्ट किसी भी पोर्टल के अंदर अभी तक नहीं है कि आपके पास जो भी इंक्वायरी आएगी वो उस पार्टनर को के पास जा रही है जो उनके नियरेस्ट है. सो एक यूनिक चीज जो आपने बताई. एंड लोकल लेवल पे इस तरह का पोर्टल यदि चलेगा तो इसमें दो बहुत अच्छे एडवांटेज हैं यदि इसको प्रॉपर्ली मैनेज किया जाए. आज की डेट में जो हमारी IT इंडस्ट्री के पार्टनर्स मार्जिन्स के लिए रो रहे हैं उसमें आपको बहुत बेनिफिट मिलेगा. सबसे बड़ी बात है कि अवर पार्टनर्स डोंट गेट एनी मार्जिन, सो दैट विल इंप्रूव विद दिस. और दूसरा ये है कि कोऑर्डिनेशन अमंग द पार्टनर्स विल इंप्रूव विद दिस काइंड ऑफ सर्विसेज. सो टू मी बहुत अच्छा कॉन्सेप्ट है. दिस इज अ वेरी गुड कॉन्सेप्ट एंड यूनिक कॉन्सेप्ट.
थैंक यू सर। एक्चुअली इससे हम लोग बहुत ये अभी फिलहाल तो लोकल लेवल पे इंप्लीमेंट होता है। इसका थोड़ा सा आइडिया हम लोगों ने पहले यही सोचा था कि इसको हम लोग एक सेंटर पॉइंट पे सारा सामान रखेंगे और वहां से डिस्पैचिंग करेंगे। उसके लिए हमने लॉजिस्टिक वगैरह भी डिस्कस किया था, लेकिन एंड ऑफ द डे लोग जी ऐसा हुआ कि वो इतना प्रैक्टिकल नहीं बन पा रहा था। वो उससे हमारी एक एडिशनल कॉस्ट इन्वॉल्व हो रही थी, क्योंकि हम एक बड़े बेसिक लेवल पे इसको करने जा रहे थे। तो हम लोगों ने एट लास्ट यही डिसाइड किया, और ये दिमाग हमारे एसोसिएशन के दिमाग में या उस समय आया जब ये रिलायंस का और फेसबुक का जब हमने टाई अप देखा कि फेसबुक में सॉरी व्हाट्सएप पे ऑर्डर आएंगे और रिलायंस मार्ट जो है अपने नियरेस्ट स्टोर पे उसको सप्लाई देगा। तो ये कॉन्सेप्ट हम लोगों ने फिर दिमाग में आया, हमने इसको अपने लिए इम्प्लीमेंट करने के लिए उसको बेस लेके इम्प्लीमेंट किया।
This is a call to the audience. If anybody wants to ask any question, please type in the chat box. I will get your question and I will forward it to Rajiv ji. Okay, so while you think about your questions, I will request Mr. Alok Gupta to continue with his presentation. Meanwhile, you can frame your questions and you can type it in the chat box so that I can forward it to Rajiv ji. So I would like to also tell the audience that both Alok Gupta and Rajiv Khanna have given interviews in the previous issues of DQ channels. If you go through the previous issues of DQ channels, you can read their interviews in which they have described their e-store portal and what type of features there are and what type of other problems and permutations and combinations they are thinking about. So, Rajiv ji, how many people have joined your e-portal so far? अभी तक कितने लोगों ने ज्वाइन किया है?
अभी हमारा भी पोर्टल इतना एग्रेसिवली काम नहीं कर रहा है। जैसे आपको बताया कि लॉकडाउन खुलने के बाद सारे ही डीलर इन्वॉल्व हो गए हैं अपने अपने रूटीन बिजनेस पे। तो जो प्लानिंग हमने उस समय की थी उस लेवल पे भी हम काम नहीं कर पा रहे हैं। बट जैसे हमारे दूसरे पोर्टल आएंगे तो उम्मीद के साथ साथ हमारा पोर्टल भी एक्टिव हो जाएगा, और हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि बहुत जल्दी फुल फ्लैश एक्टिव करेंगे। ये अभी हम भी एक तरह से बैकएंड पे ही काम चल रहा है, फ्रंट पे अभी आ पाए हैं पूरी तरह।
अच्छा, तो कब तक आप एक्टिव हो जाएंगे? और
बहुत जल्दी शायद मैं आपको शायद हम लोग भी आलोक जी की जगह लॉन्चिंग कर देंगे शायद 15 अगस्त तक।
I think Alok ji, you can continue.
Okay.
We have quite a few members. We have in several hundreds of audience.
Okay. So, good afternoon, friends. My name is Alok Gupta. I'm Managing Director, Unistall Systems Private Limited. In today's situation, pandemic situation, we could see that there was a crisis among the partners, especially retail partners, that they have the stock and suddenly lockdown took place और वो कोई भी material supply नहीं कर पा रहे थे. So we came up with the concept that we should have a portal for such kind of crisis situation which has come today, where partner should be able to supply at least to his own customers. With that objective, we came up with a portal, this portal indiaitchannels.com. We have given a thought that what should be done. So objective was set that number one, we have to include not only IT, but mobile and surveillance partners also into this portal. Now, we have different kind of channel in our industry. One, of course, retailers, then SI partners, then distributors, and then to complete that, to serve them, the OEMs. So we have set up the objective that, okay, we have to cover all of them into this portal. And our motto was that, okay, business enhancement should be there with networking among ourselves. Providing business continuity at the time of crisis like COVID, which we all are facing today. And also to give a business reach to our B2B sub-distributors, partners across the country beyond graphical boundaries. So with this objective, we had very little time to proceed. So we started to proceed further with that, what should be done and how we can proceed to grow. So we launched this portal where partners can create their B2C catalog page. So it takes about 30 minutes to create a catalog page, where if you are ready with your product names, your brand names, your a small profile of yourself, your pricing structure, you can just register yourself, which takes about 3 minutes, and within 30 minutes you can create your own B2C catalog page, which is ready and working right now, where you will be getting a link with which you can immediately start sending it to your current customers. अभी भी आप देखेंगे तो बहुत सी स्टेट में, लाइक वेस्ट बंगाल इज लॉक्ड टिल 14, सम अदर स्टेट, अलग अलग पॉकेट्स में इंडिया के बहुत सी जगह ऐसी है जहाँ अभी भी लॉकडाउन चल रहा है.
किसी का वीडियो आ रहा है अभी.
Partners will be able to generate their catalog. Once the catalog is ready, they are provided with a URL. That URL they can send as a mailer or as a WhatsApp to their existing customer database, which they can click, go to your link, your latest offerings are there, you can change your offerings every hour. With this B2C catalog, they will be able to give their offerings to their existing customers immediately, and then all that, they can have a payment link, payment gateway can be connected. So if you will look at B2C catalog which we are promoting, we are not trying to compete with Flipkart or Amazon. Still we are against this policy, because those guys are with the price policy, they are killing our brick and mortar business. Online was introduced everywhere as for convenience. और आप यदि बाहर जाके देखेंगे तो ऑनलाइन के प्राइसेस जो होते हैं इन मेजर डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज, इट इज 2 and 3% हायर देन ब्रिक एंड मोटर प्राइसेस, बिकॉज दिस इज फॉर कन्वीनियंस. हियर इन इंडिया ये खाली प्राइस वॉर बन के रह गया है, उसकी वजह से हमारा ब्रिक एंड मोटर को बहुत प्रॉब्लम होती है. तो इस कॉन्सेप्ट में आपका कैटलॉग केवल आप जिसके पास भेज रहे हैं वही देख सकता है. एवरी टॉम एंड जेरी कैन नॉट गेट इनटू योर कैटलॉग एंड सी. दूसरा, आपको इसके फीचर्स में मिलता है कि आप पूरी इन्वेंट्री अपनी मैनेज कर सकते हैं, आपके सेल अपनी मैनेज कर सकते हैं, और यदि कोई भी आदमी आपके पास यदि कोई भी ऐसा कस्टमर आता है तो वो आपके कैटलॉग में कब आया, उसकी पूरी एनालिटिक्स भी आपको बैकएंड में आपके लॉगिन में मिलती है कि मैंने यदि सपोज आपने 500 कस्टमर्स के पास डाला तो उसमें से कितने कस्टमर्स ने आपके पेजेस को व्यू किया है, विजिट किया है, और वो कौन कौन थे, उसके सारे डिटेल भी आपके पास आते हैं. सेकंड, इसका जो हमारा कॉन्सेप्ट है विच विल बी रेडी शॉर्टली, विच इज B2B कैटलॉग, बिजनेस टू बिजनेस. वो हमारे उन पार्टनर्स के लिए है जो सब डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन की तरह काम करते हैं. अब हमने इसमें जो एक स्लोगन है हमारा, जुड़ो जोड़ो आगे बढ़ो, वो हमारी दिल्ली की एसोसिएशन पीकेट का भी स्लोगन है. उसके को देखते हुए उसका ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है कि आप एक प्रोजेक्ट लेते हैं आपको कोई रिक्वायरमेंट है और वो सप्लाई मान लीजिए आपको आपके पास स्टॉक नहीं है, आपको करनी है, आपको किसी पर्टिकुलर सिटी में करनी है, तो आज की डेट में आप क्या कर रहे हैं, आप यहाँ परचेज करते हैं और यहाँ से उसको शिप करते हैं। इस केस में आप B2B पोर्टल में आप जाएंगे, उस प्रोडक्ट को, ब्रांड नेम को सर्च करेंगे उस सिटी में, उस सिटी की उस लोकेलिटी में, आपको पता चलेगा कि वो प्रोडक्ट किन लोगों के पास अवेलेबल है, और जिसके पास अवेलेबल है आप उनसे टाई अप कर सकते हैं। दे कैन डिलीवर द प्रोडक्ट फ्रॉम दैट सिटी इटसेल्फ और दैट लोकेलिटी इटसेल्फ, और आप यहाँ से खाली अपने कस्टमर को बिल भेज सकते हैं। दैट्स आल्सो पॉसिबल with the help of B2B business. Otherwise आप normal B2B business partners के बीच में आपस में हो सकता है, because the stock is there, pricing is there, दोनों के connect point वहां पे मौजूद है। तो B2B का एडवांटेज है कि आपको इन्वेंट्री मिल रही है, रीच मिल रही है, और इसके थ्रू आप अपने बिजनेस को इनहेंस कर सकते हैं और आप कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव कर सकते हैं। दो चीजें मेंशन करना चाहूंगा आपके B2C कैटलॉग में। नंबर 1, दिस इज नॉट ओनली फॉर प्रोडक्ट, इट इज फॉर प्रोडक्ट, सर्विसेज एंड इवन रिसोर्सेज। आपके पास इंजीनियर्स हैं, आपके पास कुछ एक्सपर्टाइज है, आप उसको भी अपलोड कर सकते हैं, बोथ इन B2C एंड B2B। तो B2C का एडवांटेज क्या है कि यदि आपके कस्टमर को मान लीजिए घर में कोई प्रॉब्लम है, नाउ पीपल आर रिलक्टेंट कमिंग टू योर वर्कशॉप, आप SI पार्टनर की तरह काम कर रहे हैं, रिपेयरिंग सेंटर की तरह काम कर रहे हैं, सपोर्ट सेंटर की तरह काम कर रहे हैं, यू कैन सेंड योर इंजीनियर टू देयर प्लेस हु विल डू द जॉब एंड कम बैक, एंड मनी कैन बी टेकन ऑनलाइन और विद द Paytm or whatever you want, that options will be there. So this is the objective of having not only product, services and resources can also take place. बहुत से SI पार्टनर्स बड़े बड़े टेंडर कोट करते हैं, उनको रिसोर्स एक्सपर्टाइज की जरूरत होती है, वो उन्होंने अपने रिसोर्स एक्सपर्टाइज डाल रखे हैं, उन्होंने सर्च किया भाई इस सिटी में मुझे आगे जाके एक टेंडर मिलना है, मैं पता करूं जिनके पास इस तरह के एक्सपर्टाइज है, तो वो एक्सपर्टाइज दे कैन सर्च, दे कैन हैव अ टीमिंग एग्रीमेंट विद दैट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन among themselves, and if that particular order is awarded to him, he can use that resources there. That way another city big order installation is there, you don't have to send your engineers from your city, you can do the tie-up with the help of India IT channels and then do the work over there. So this is about B2C, B2B. OEMs अपने कैटलॉग ऐड कर सकते हैं, तो जब पार्टनर्स अपना कैटलॉग बनाएंगे, एवरी टाइम दे डोंट हैव टू गो थ्रू देयर, मतलब दे एवरी टाइम दे डोंट हैव टू पुट देयर प्रोडक्ट्स, उनकी इमेजेस, उनके डिटेल्स themselves, they can only directly select the OEM product, that this is the product which is with me in my store, and that product will appear in that store, so that will cut down the cost. But that option is not enabled right now. It will be enabled once OEM catalogs will be there, which we feel that by December all the B2B and OEMs will be on board. Currently B2C is already on. आप रजिस्टर कर सकते हैं indiaitchannels.com में और आप इमीडिएटली उसका बेनिफिट उठा सकते हैं। मैं आगे बढ़ता हूं। हमारा विजन ऑफ इंडिया IT channels are not only to limit to India. We have a thought process, because आज की डेट में इंडिया के अंदर बहुत सी पार्टनर कम्युनिटी ऐसी है जिसने मेक इन इंडिया के अंदर डिफरेंट IT और मोबाइल एसेसरीज के प्रोडक्ट बनाने शुरू कर दिए हैं और दे आर थिंकिंग ऑफ डूइंग दैट। तो इस तरह के जो हमारे पार्टनर्स हैं, मेंबर्स हैं, all those will be can promote their product, can sell their product not only in India, but we are you will disclose it shortly that which all countries we will be available in next 12 months down the line, where partners there will also be on board, who will be contacting Indian manufacturers or Indian SI partners for the projects they are doing in their respective countries for tie-up. So this is what is the whole objective of this India IT channels. Good news is that we are close to 4,500 registration till now, and cataloging has already started by many partners. And as we have set up a target of 10,000 partners to be on board by December 31st, we are sure that the kind of response we are getting from all India partners, as Unistall already has 30,000 partners registration in our business in last 26 years. So we are contacting all of them to be on board. Objective is to, Unistel is already doing the work. What our partner members can do the business and enhance the business among themselves with the database which has been collected by the Unistol is also a social cause, and which we want to offer to our members. Now, both the cataloging, whether it is B2C or B2B, whether it is, and then your inventory management, all this is available absolutely free of cost to all the partners. There will be no, absolutely zero charge on this. So you don't have to pay anything. Now, many questions will come into your mind. Let me answer before the question will come to me. There will be add-on services. We will give you a WhatsApp integration that आप अपने customer को इसी portal से WhatsApp कर दें. We will give you an option that आप इसी portal के अंदर आप WhatsApp create भी कर लें. We will give you an option that इसी के अंदर आप अपना mailer create कर लें and then you can send the mailer to your database from here itself. तो इसमें हम third party tie-ups भी करेंगे because all that cannot be developed by us or it will take a lot of time. तो वो जो collaboration हम करेंगे उस पे जो charges लगेंगे that will be there. Plus, yes, of course, advertisement will be there from OEMs, product launch will be there from OEMs, through which every OEM, small and big, would like to reach to the partners. They will be available. इससे partners को advantage ये मिलेगा कि what is the new product, new technology is coming. They will always come to know. With the help of this portal, we will have a OEM zone where registered partner can go to OEM zone and see that what is happening. कोई भी advertisement आपके catalog page पे नहीं आएगा, किसी का भी, because that is like your own website. जो भी कैटलॉग, जो भी आपके एडवर्टीजमेंट चलेंगे या तो वो पोर्टल के फ्रंट पेज पे चल रहे होंगे, either it will be running on after you logging in and you are on the your back administrative page. So जो आपके कस्टमर फेसिंग पेज हैं उस पे कभी भी आपके बिजनेस को डाइल्यूट करने के लिए कोई भी एडवर्टीजमेंट नहीं चलेगा. That we are ensuring. Again, I'm thanking Cyber Media to give me an opportunity to speak about India IT channels. आपके questions, किसी के भी कोई भी questions हैं, you can ask me.
Thank you very much, and I actually thank you that you came. I do have a question for you.
जी मैम.
There is a person called Anu Lipi, and she or he is asking which OEM are adding in catalog. Means what is your? Do you have any figures or profiles of the OEMs who are adding in the catalog? How is payment and logistic? How is it working? And what is the data security issue process? Means how do you provide data security?
Okay, so the Unistol is an organization which is known from last 26 years for its data security and data recovery. Though that business is only 15% of Unistol total business, because our another business is where we have a web-based solutions and portals for oil, gas, and water industry, which is my 85% of the business. So we are already doing it like any other. Whatever is the security norms required, that has already been in place. OEMs, we have not yet started onboarding. I have already informed that OEMs will be onboarding, and by December 31st they will be there. But yes, we have spoken to top brands, and they have assured us that yes, definitely they would like to onboard on this portal. What was the third question, ma'am? We are a portal which is facilitating partners to connect with another partner. Now, once they are getting connected, all the deliveries between partner and customer is taken care by partner. Portal has no role to play on this as of now. In the future, we may have that kind of facility. We will tie up with a logistics company which can do the work. But since in this portal, the agreement which is signed is like any other agreement between the partner who is registering and the portal, that whatever he is posting, whatever he is registering, everything, all the responsibility is his, not of the portal. Same way the logistics responsibility is of the partner, as we don't have any intention to act like a big names like Flipkart or Amazon, where we open a marketplace for everybody. Absolutely no plans on that direction. Any point I have left, ma'am?
No. Rajiv ji, do you want to ask a question?
आलोक जी ने सारा कुछ क्लियर ही कर दिया अपनी प्रेजेंटेशन में, जो जो दिमाग में आ रहा था। एनी क्वेश्चन फॉर मी मैम?
आपके लिए अभी क्वेश्चन नहीं है। आप आलोक जी से कोई क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहते हैं?
मैंने वही कहा कि आलोक जी ने, मेरे दिमाग में बहुत से क्वेश्चंस आ रहे थे, जो टाइम के टाइम वो आलोक जी क्लियर करते जा रहे थे। मेरे दिमाग में था कि फाइनेंशियल क्या इन्वॉल्व है, उन्होंने पहले क्लियर कर दिया कि फाइनेंशियल इन्वॉल्व नहीं है, मेरा लॉजिस्टिक्स से वो था, सब कुछ उन्होंने पहले ही अपनी प्रेजेंटेशन में लगभग हर क्वेरी क्लियर कर।
We will, and madam, we will make partner if they want to enable to tie up with the payment gateway, but there also portal will not have any role. This will be a agreement between payment gateway and the partner.
Okay,
portal will not play any role.
Here is another comment for you, Alok ji.
Yeah.
Unistall products always don't give good results. So how can we trust you on data?
Who said?
Anulipi.
Who said that, ma'am? Name of the partner?
It is coming as Anulipi.
So yeah, ma'am, it's some fake name with some fake name somebody is asking.
Yeah,
okay.
I can't identify the person, but
let me reply this question. Unistall first customer in 1994 when we launched the company was Prime Minister's office. I guarantee that 99.9% companies don't have that privilege with them. And I repeat that even after 26 years, still Prime Minister's office is my customer on a regular basis. Now, when it comes to the Unistall products, since 1999, our products have been bundled with the OEMs like HCL, Wipro, Acer, HP, and Lenovo. If we don't have a good customer, good product, how Unistall has 17 million licensed user till date? We have sold 17 million licenses in last 26 years, including retail, OEMs in India and more than 125 countries around the world for our data security, data recovery product. Our antivirus, even on today's date, is getting bundled with the different schemes of HP, Acer, and some few model of Lenovo desktops. So that this itself is the answer to the person who is trying to tarnish the image of Unistall in a public domain.
There are always people who will criticize you. So we should take it in our stride. Okay. Can I ask
one more to add, one more point to add, ma'am. We are a 26-year-old startup. We had first customer as Prime Minister's office, where our investment was only 2,500 rupees in our business when we started the business.
So can I ask you a question?
Please.
So you are going to get all this data from the people who register on your portal. Are you going to use this data for data analytics and business growth of the people who register on the platform?
See, two things I will tell you.
Yeah.
Currently, 87% people who have registered, those database is already on Unistall database. 87% of 4,500 people. Major registration has come from UP, Punjab, and Haryana. a place like Jammu and Kashmir, we have close to 70 registration with us. But why I'm saying this? We are into the IT partner business when IT partners have just started, 1994. Those time, very limited partners used to be there in the industry. Rajiv ji will agree with my statement. So, partner database, yes, we already have 30,000. It is other way around. We are sharing the partner database and making a network between the partners to connect and grow. Number one. Number two, yes, data analytics will be there for business growth. Every organization does that. That will be the opportunity for us also. That there will be a data analytics will take place, not only for us, even each partner will have a data analytics before December to do that data analytics, that how many people have come, who all have come in their portal, whether that customer, if they are maintaining inventory and sale in this portal, they will also know that who has bought how much, what is his pattern. So whether there is somebody who is for every need, he is trying to click and trying to search something after coming to his page. So all those analytics will be given to the partners to have that. And again, I am repeating, all this on B2C and B2B is available free of cost.
So is it meant only for a particular association, or is it meant for free for all? Like even I can go and register if I am selling something in the IT.
Any partner can register in this portal, and we have given in a registration form that whether you are an association member or not. If he says no, and that association is supporting India IT channel, as our Delhi association PK is supporting us, we will immediately, after some time, we will inform the association also that these are partners in your city who are there doing active business. With the permission of the partner, we will share the details so they can make them their members. Because association play a vital role in the development of the partners, in the protection of partner business. I myself is president for PK Delhi from almost 7 years. I have served FEDA in the capacity of convener. The FEDA formation meeting, first meeting took place in my office only in Delhi. So all that has been taken. So I know how you can, if an association is strong enough and unite, it can do wonders. Nobody can take you on a toss, whether it is a customer or whether it is a individual. See, as an association, if we say that no government officer can take unnecessary advantage of our members, we guarantee that. As an association president, we ensure that no OEM can stop backend of our members. And we have gone up to the level that even customers could not stop our members' payment. In last 7 years, close to 20 crores of dispute has been resolved by us. So association has to be strong, and people who have not joined the association partners, they must join the associations. And they have to ensure that association should work as a group, as a unite group to fight the people who are trying to take undue advantage from you.
So, does anybody else want to ask any questions? Please write in the chat box. Okay, there was also some doubt about your portal. Is it like Rajiv Ji's portal is concentrated on Jalandhar only? So what about your portal? Is it focused in Delhi only, Delhi NCR, or is it focused all over India?
Currently India, and it will go beyond India, ma'am.
You can.
Currently India, next financial year, it will be beyond India.
That's good. I wish you all the best for that.
We are already talking with the UAE. Since you have asked the question, initially I had mentioned it in my presentation. UAE, we ourselves have a database of more than 500 partners. We have started talking to them. If everything goes well, by the next financial year, we will link them to this portal. So our partner OEMs, let me say a new term, partner OEMs. Like I was today, if you ask me, Unistol has become an OEM, where we were partners since beginning. Kaspersky antivirus, Unistol brought into India. Bitdefender antivirus, Unistol brought into India. Today we have our own brand Protegent. So today, if you ask me, we have from partner, we have become OEMs. So there are many partners who are OEMs today.
Okay.
If I will talk about PKIT itself, so many members like Champion, ABC, Sujit ji, and then our RX Infotech Atul Gupta ji, Anuj Modi ji, they all have become Ashok Grover ji, they all have become OEMs. I'm sorry if I forget
manufacturing. They are all manufacturing in India.
Yeah, they are all manufacturing. They are also manufactured in India. Abhi Atul ji, RX was importing the material, but I think he is also planning. So if they all will be Arun Transline, very good software and IoT products. So if they all will be making the products, our aim is that the Delhi Association members, if 10 members, even 10 members will get 50-50 customers across country and 2 export orders in a year. That is an achievement that which we feel that Total has won. To be very honest, this was launched with the objective of that only, not to make a money, not as a business portal initially, and that's why you have seen in most of the this PKIT has supported portal was the from day one we are saying, because the concept was that only. Our member partners should do very well with this.
So, you think that Make in India can be also integrated into the partners' objectives? Because partners have traditionally been importers of multinational products.
So this is my vision from last 5 years, almost 5 years, being a Delhi IT Association PKIT president, that yes, the traditional business of retail will die.
Yeah.
Only branded store, the store which OEM driven stores only, they will be only earning. Multi-brand small shops cannot do for a very longer period. So the partners with a very small investment collaboration can do the set up their manufacturing in India. That will take them a long way. Plus also, so you add, if you add services, you add other things into your business. Services is one thing. If you look at in your this thing also, the WhatsApp group which you have created, more than IT products advertisement, or you have found that COVID related material by the IT partner that I am selling this.
Yes, I know.
So I know the people who have set up the factory in India for mask. They have already set up, even our PKIT members, there are a few members who have set up the factory in Okhla and other places for masks. So you can buy the mask locally, they are manufacturing it at good quality masks. They have sent some few samples to us also, which when we have used, we have found them real good quality, means no breathing issue, nothing. I used it for 4.5 hours. Kids have used it and that was working perfectly.
So,
so the time has come for a change. This is a time for a change for everybody. Yeah. That okay, from a traditional process. See, I never thought. I'm giving my personal experience. I never thought my programming team will be giving me 140% than what they used to give in the when they used to come to the office.
Okay.
So the efficiency is 140%. COVID time, all other industry is struggling. Even many of our members have also, when I took the feedback, but I was sitting with one of the distributor partner at Nehru Place 2 days back. Incidentally, is my distributor from Delhi also. And we had a good 1 hour meeting. He says we are growing in business. So IT business, if you are handling it properly, today it is on growth. It is not on declining mode.
Okay. And
I know the people on the lockdown, they have done a turnover 50% of what they did till 17th March.
Okay. That's
So
good.
from 15 March to 30th March, they did a business of good some tens of crores extra than what they did. They did suppose he did 20 crore rupees and he did 18 crore in 1 month. So 38 crores. So you understand, so lockdown was a pandemic situation. Unfortunately, it is a pandemic situation, but for many people, it has come as a good business opportunity.
Rajiv ji, what do you say about how IT business is growing now? Alok ji has given some ideas. What are your comments?
नहीं मैम, एग्जैक्टली आलोक जी सही कह रहे हैं। आईटी बिजनेस एक्चुअली इस समय डिमांड पे, और अच्छी बात यह है कि आईटी वाले लोग पहली बार पैसा कमा रहे हैं। अब आलोक जी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन में बैठे हैं, दिल्ली में बैठे हैं, हम लोग यहाँ पे एंड यूजर सेल पे ज्यादा है छोटे शहरों में, और छोटे शहरों में वो मार्जिन नहीं हम लोग ले पाते थे जो अभी लॉकडाउन के बाद हम लोग ले रहे हैं। हम सारे ले रहे हैं।
It's true, राजीव जी, आप बिल्कुल ठीक कह रहे हैं। मतलब मैं तो आईटी हार्डवेयर बिजनेस में नहीं हूँ, आई टेक द इनपुट फ्रॉम द मेंबर्स ओनली, बट सिंस एज आई हैव अ हैबिट टू कीप टॉकिंग टू द पीपल, I meet at least, madam, normal condition I meet at least 1,000 different partners in a year all across the country. That is used to be my forte from last 25 years. Personally, even today. So when I go to a city, I travel a lot, I meet the partners, so I get a feel at that what is happening.
राजीव जी, आप कुछ बोल रहे थे?
मैं क्या इसका रीजन भी आपको बता देता हूँ। एक्चुअली पहले क्या होता था, एक टारगेट होता था, भाई आपको 200 डब्बा दिया तो तब अगले मंथ में अगेन 200 डब्बा की फिर बिलिंग हो रही है। अंदर स्टॉक पड़ा है 400 डब्बे का, बेचना है, कम मार्जिन पे भी माल निकलना चाहिए। अब कम से कम उसको पता है ये 200 डब्बा पड़ा, अगला 200 डब्बा पता नहीं मिलेगा कि नहीं मिलेगा, वो आगे मार्जिन लेके दे रहा है, आगे से डीलर मार्जिन लेके दे रहा है। मतलब जो उसकी कह लो शॉर्टेज कह लो, वही हमारा मार्जिन बढ़ा रही है। जो प्रोडक्ट की शॉर्टेज हो रही है, हमको पता है कि
The audience, does anybody want to ask any questions? Please type in the chat box. तो इस बारे में मैं एक और चीज कहना चाहती थी कि आप दोनों का जो पोर्टल है, आप लोग सिर्फ इंडिविजुअल बायर्स को नहीं कैटर करते, यू आल्सो कैटर टू लार्ज एंटरप्राइजेस who buy in bulk, whatever it is, products, services or solutions they need for like 500 employees, 1000 employees. So can these portals help your partners in that type of bulk volume, high volume?
Ma'am, to me at this stage it is difficult to comment on that, but if partners are giving their catalog page, sending their catalog page to the big corporates, they will get the business on that, definitely. How portal will help them out, that needs to be seen, because currently we don't have anything for these kind of big organizations to offer. We have to think it through and give an opportunity where our partners should have the knowledge of what is happening in big corporates, what is their requirement and all. But yes, currently nothing has been planned for that. It is only on the individual partner. If he has a customer, he sends his catalog to him, B2C catalog to him, that this is what is my offerings, and talk to them. That for him it is like he's sending his website link, that okay, or a mailer or a WhatsApp message. If this is my offering, you can for detail you can click the link. Person clicks the link. कोई नई offering आई, आपने डाला, उसको भेजा, and he has clicked the link and he has come to your portal, and he gives you his requirement, because we are giving there will be a proper queries section that you can send a query to the partner. You can send the order if those products are available. You do not want to buy, you can place the order and send it to him that please contact for I want to buy this. So all those options have been given.
Okay, Rajiv,
you have given आपने एक पॉइंट दिया है जिसको मैंने नोट कर लिया है।
मैम
आपके पॉइंट को मैंने नोट कर लिया है, फॉर द फ्यूचर इट कैन बी एन अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर द।
थैंक यू वेरी मच। राजीव जी, आप कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं इस टॉपिक पर?
आपका ये जो पॉइंट है ना, ये मेरे को जो लग रहा है, मैंने कहा इसमें ये पॉइंट पॉसिबल लग रहा है मेरे पोर्टल में भी और आलोक जी के पोर्टल में भी। रीजन बिहाइंड, क्योंकि हम दोनों के पोर्टल में हम लोगों ने अपने जो यूजर्स हैं उनको डायरेक्ट एक्सेस दिया हुआ है। डायरेक्ट एक्सेस है कस्टमर का। जब मैं भी कह रहा हूँ कि मेरे पास कोई इंक्वायरी आती है, मैं अपने नियरेस्ट डीलर को वो एक्सेस दे दूंगा। मेरा ख्याल राहुल जी का पोर्टल भी यही कहना है। तो ऐसे केस पे वो हमारा पार्टनर उस कॉर्पोरेट से डायरेक्ट इंटरेक्शन कर, उनका ऑर्डर फुलफिल कर सकता है, और वो उसको उस कॉर्पोरेट को ये भी इशू नहीं है कि मुझे क्रेडिट कार्ड से कौन पेमेंट करनी है, कैश ऑन डिलीवरी करनी है। वो अपनी काम से हमारे पार्टनर के साथ काम कर सकता है हमारे पोर्टल के थ्रू।
The audience, does anybody want to ask any question? Please type in the chat box. So Alok ji, you said that next year partners may be exporting outside India. So
that is what is my vision is, ma'am. I don't know how long we will be successful, yes, but vision is exactly the same.
So can you also get the customers traffic from outside India on your portal?
That is what I said, that when we say customer, our customer is partners, whether it is India or outside India.
Yeah.
So that is what is the aim, is those partners will get registered. They will also get their B2C catalog, and they will have an access to B2B. So they want to purchase anything, they can search that I want this kind of product, and they will be able to get the people from a particular city that who wants, and then they can have a tie-up for the solutions, for the services, for the product, even manpower, resource also. Because if you go to the African countries, there are a lot of IT resource requirement. And I'll tell you that the engineer who is paid 20,000 a year in African countries, they are paid 1.5 lakhs to 2 lakh rupees per month, where the people who are sending, even today, they are earning a 50-60% margin on their salaries. So all those permutation combinations can be made. Idea is that how partner community can grow. That is the only objective which we all have together.
राजीव जी, आपका पोर्टल में इंडिया के बाहर एक्सपोर्ट करने का क्या प्रोस्पेक्ट्स है?
अभी कुछ नहीं है। अगर हमारे पोर्टल पे मिलते हैं और बाहर से भी आते हैं तो अभी तो कोई कुछ प्लान नहीं है, फ्रैंकली।
एक बार फिर से रिपीट कीजिए, आपकी आवाज नहीं सुनाई दे रही थी।
मैंने कहा अभी इमीडिएट तो कोई प्लान नहीं है, बिकॉज जो नेट पोर्टल या वेब पोर्टल है वो उसकी लिमिटेशन तो होती नहीं है कि एक सिटी पे फिक्स हो जाएगा। इट मे बी, बट हमारी अभी इस पे कोई प्लानिंग हमने नहीं की है।
इंटरनेशनल एक्सपोर्ट का कोई प्लानिंग नहीं किया है
अभी। प्लानिंग
अच्छा
नहीं, अभी कोई प्लानिंग।
So the audience, if you don't have any questions, I will wind up now. But this is not the end of this webinar. I would like to take this opportunity to make the announcement that both of these presenters, if they want to send, they will send PowerPoints, and I will be editing the recording, and I will be integrating their PowerPoints and other things into it. I will also, in some places, the quality of voice is not good, so I will also try to rectify that. And then after that, I will be uploading this recording on many social media platforms. For example, we have a LinkedIn platform called Cyber Media News. So you can go to Cyber Media News LinkedIn platform and you can watch this video again. And if you have any questions, then you can write your questions there. And I will tag both of these presenters. They can come there and they can respond to your questions. Apart from that, we also have a Twitter account of DQ Channels, and we have a YouTube platform also of DQ Channels. So I'll be uploading this recording on all these platforms, and you can visit the DQ Channel's Twitter account. You can also visit the DQ Channel's YouTube platform, and you can, if you have any questions, you can comment there, and I will tag both of these presenters. So they will get your questions, and if they can answer, then they will definitely come and respond to your questions. So please don't think that this is the end of this webinar. This is a continuing, ongoing discussion. And through social media, we will keep the discussion flowing. So please do visit Cyber Media News platform of LinkedIn and Twitter platform of DQ Channels and YouTube platform of DQ Channels. You will be able to watch this video there, and you will be able to comment there. So both the presenters, thank you very much for your time. And we had a very good lively discussion today, and it was a very insightful discussion. I learned a lot about your portals, and many doubts that I had, I got them cleared. So it was a very good experience, and I hope that we will continue these types of engagements in future also.
Thank you.
Thank you very much to
Thank you.
all,
Thank you. Thank
to
you.
all our audience, and also to both the presenters. I really thank you very much for giving your time.
Thank you. Thanks.
Thank you. Thank
See
you.
you then.
There you go.